Good day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian coordinate system. A rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane looks like this. It is a two-dimensional plane which is divided by the axis into four regions called as quadrants. It is named in honor of a French mathematician, René Descartes, in 1596 to 1650. He is also known as the father of modern mathematics. So what are the parts of rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane? First, we have here x-axis. So x-axis is the horizontal line in our plane. So this one is called as x-axis. Another line is a vertical line which is called as y-axis. So this is our y-axis. So as you can see, x and y-axis intersect each other at exactly one point, and they form perpendicular lines. So the point of intersection is called as origin. Our origin is this point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, wherein we can find the ordered pair 0, 0. Since x and y-axis are number lines composed of positive and negative values, every point in a Cartesian plane will also have values, and that is called as ordered pairs. Next, the ordered pairs are composed of x and y coordinates. So x is called as abscissa and y coordinate is called as ordinate. Example, we have here 5, 2. So 5 is our x coordinate and 2 is our y coordinate. In our Cartesian plane, we can find 5, 2 from the point of origin. Going to the right, we have here 5, positive 5. And then, from the point of origin, upward, we have here positive 2. So, since 5 and 2 will meet here at this point, so this is our ordered pair, which is 5, 2. Another part of a Cartesian plane. Okay, so we have here quadrant 1. Quadrant 1 is located on this part. As you can see, the values of x and y are both positive. So our x coordinate is positive and our y coordinate is also positive. From the point of origin going to right, we have here positive values, and then point of origin upward, we also have here positive values. So take note that these arrows indicates that it can be extended up to positive infinity. Okay, next, we also have here quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 is located on this part. So all of the points in this quadrant has negative value of x and positive value of y. So from the point of origin, going to left, we have here negative values. It can be extended up to negative infinity. and then point of origin upward, we have here positive values. Next, in quadrant 3, so this is our quadrant 3, and the coordinates in quadrant 3 are both negative. So negative because from the point of origin going to left, we have here negative integers or values, and then point of origin downward, we also have here negative values. So this can be extended up to negative infinity. Okay, so next is quadrant 4. So quadrant 4 is located on this part. So the values of quadrant 4 are positive value of x and negative value of y. So positive, since from the point of origin going to right, we have here positive values, and point of origin downward, we have here negative values. Take note that our ordered pairs or coordinates x, y cannot be interchanged in position. So x is always the first coordinate followed by y. So let us plot the following points in a Cartesian plane. Okay, so we have here first point A with the ordered pairs or coordinates 2, 5. So what is the value of x? Our x is 2 and our y is positive 5. By simply looking on their sign, since they are both positive, therefore, this point can be found in quadrant 1. Okay? Since our x is positive 2, so we can locate here from the point of origin going to right. So we have here 1, 2. So this is our positive 2. And then since our y value is 5, from point of origin upward, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our 5 in our y-axis. So 2, 5 will meet on this part. Therefore, this is our point. So this is where our point is located. That is point A. Next, point B. We have the ordered pairs 3, negative, 8. So 3 is positive, 8 is negative. So looking at our x-axis, from point of origin, we have 1, 2, 3 going to right. And then negative from the point of origin downward, we have here negative 8. So 3 and negative 8 will meet on this point. So therefore, this is our point B. Next, point C with the ordered pairs negative 1, negative 4. Okay, so take note that negative 1 can be found on x-axis. So from point of origin going to left, we have here negative 1. And then negative 4 can be found on y-axis. So from point of origin downward, we have here negative 4. So negative 1, negative 4 can be found on this point. Okay, so this is our ordered pair. Next, point D. Point D is negative 6, positive 7. So negative 6 can be found on x-axis from point of origin going to left. 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and then negative 6. And then positive 7 on our y-axis can be found from point of origin upward. So we have here positive 7. So negative 6, positive 7 can be found on this quadrant. Okay? So we have here point D. Next, point E. As you can see, the value of our x-coordinate is 0. Therefore, we're going to start with 0. And then, locating our x-coordinate, which is positive 5, so we're going to move 5 steps upward from point of origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, this is our point E. Next, positive 1, positive 7. Since both are positive, so this will be found in quadrant 1. So point of origin, going to right, we have positive 1. And then positive 7 from the point of origin, going to up. Okay, 7 steps upward. And then this will be the point. So point F. And then point G, x coordinate is positive. So point of origin, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going to right. And then y coordinate is negative. So point of origin downward, 1, 2, 3. So 5, negative 3 is located on this part. So this is point G. Okay? So by looking at the Cartesian plane, we can now identify in what quadrant are these points are located. So point A is located in quadrant 1. Point B is located in quadrant 4. Point C is located in quadrant 3. Point D is located in quadrant 2. Point E can be found in y-axis. So this is not in quadrant. So this is located in y-axis. And then point F can be found in quadrant 1. And point G can be found in quadrant 4. Next, let us identify the quadrant or axis of the following points. So, without looking in a Cartesian plane, we can easily identify in what quadrant or axis the following points are located. So, let us take a look on their sign. So, our x-coordinate is positive. Y-coordinate is also positive. Therefore, point G is located at quadrant 1. Next, point R. X-coordinate is positive. Y-coordinate is negative. Therefore, it can be found in quadrant 4. Point A. X-coordinate is negative. Y-coordinate is negative. Therefore, it can be found at quadrant 3. Point C, x-coordinate is negative 8, y-coordinate is positive 14. Therefore, it is located in quadrant 2. And point E, x-coordinate is negative and y-coordinate is 0. So this cannot be found in any quadrant, but this can be located at x-axis. Okay, so let us name the ordered pairs of each point in the Cartesian plane. So let us start with point A. In naming the ordered pairs, we have to consider first the value of x. Since we are considering first the value of x, we're going to take a look first in our x-axis. And then, the second coordinate will be the value in our y-axis. Okay, example, we have point A. So take a look first at the x-axis. So we have here -2 and then followed by the coordinate in y-axis will be +5. Therefore, point A is the ordered pair -2, +5. Next, point B. So take a look first at the x-axis. So we have here +3. And in our y-axis is we have +1. So point B is the ordered pair 3, 1. Next, point C. So point C is located here. So considered first the value in x-axis. So we have here -5. Okay? And then in our y-axis, as you can see, we do not move from -5. Therefore, the value of x or y coordinate, the value of y coordinate would be equal to 0. So our ordered pair in point C is -5, 0. Next, point D. So point D is located here. And considering first the value in x-axis, we have here -1. And then in our y-axis is -4. So point D is composed of the ordered pair -1, -4. Next, let us name point E. So consider the value in x-axis, we have +7. And then in our y-axis, we have here +4. So point E is 7, 4. Next, point F. So point F, here, the value of x is 5 and the value of y is -2. So therefore, the ordered pairs are 5, -2. Okay, so last is we have point G. So what will be the coordinates of point G? So point G is located in our y-axis. Since it is in y-axis, therefore, the value of our x-coordinate will be equal to 0. So it doesn't move from left to right, but it moves upward. So therefore, the coordinates of point G is 0, +1. Okay, last is point H. We have here point H. The value of x is +1 and our y is -2. And that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!